Isn't the sky just beautiful in Arizona? Oh my god, who's that? Oh my Jewish god, it's Isis. Oh, she's so beautiful. Okay, but anyway, we got a sausage here. You know why? One sausage. The other one, I gave it to her because I felt bad for herself. This sausage ain't just a regular sausage. And it doesn't just have meat inside of it. It has specialty inside of it. So, here. Isis! Come on, Isis! She come forward. Oh, yeah. Let's touch her nose with it. Look at that face. She's gonna get it. Anyways, we have a stick. That one. But what we're gonna do with it is attach it to the sausage. So, we're gonna have some fun. So, catch you guys when I finish doing this. Okay. Back to business. Sausage attached. Isis is ready. Let's do this. Alright. Let's get down. She's seriously got her eyes on the sausage, not even on me. Alright. Let's do this. Alright. Oh, shoot. You're going far. Alright. Go, Isis. Oh, shoot. That was too easy for you. Alright, let's see what we can do with you. What are we going to feed you? What are we going to feed you? Oh no, she saw us. She knows now. We can't hide it from her, but now she knows. The secret of sausages. You like a pet's big sausage version. Alright, so I'll put you guys down for a second. I'll flip the camera to me. Oh no, I'll put you guys down for a second. Hold on. Alright. Let's do this. Take 3. She's going crazy. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, boy. Go, go, boy. Go, go, boy. Go, go, boy. I should be the new maker of Godzilla 5000. I repeat, Godzilla is in sight. Oh, shoot, we're being attacked. Never mind. Yeah. This is too funny. Let's go sky high. What can you do? What happens if I lower it? What happens if I lower it? Oh, shit! She scraped my knee! She scraped it! Woo! Woo! It's my helicopter version. Ricky. Alright, you guys get a good view right there. Alright. Oh, she's looking for this.